Hey guys, what's good? Skincare. So we're talking about skincare today. Everything skincare. You think about it, you name it, we're gonna talk about it. And skin, lotion, from body wash to what oils do I put on my face, what helps my skin, what helps me remove my eye makeup remover. Yeah. Tattoos, are they dry during the summer or the winter? What do you put on those things, you know? I mean, they're already healed, but so you know, sometimes in the drier seasons, what do you do with them? We're talking about under eyes. Do you have bags? Do you have puffiness? Do you have hollowness? How to combat with those? Keep my skin feeling and looking baby soft. Let's get into it. I was trying to look for a good body wash, and some of the ones that I was using, it just, I don't know, like after so many times you use it, you just get tired of it. Like your skin, like as soon as you come out, get like so itchy, and then you have to go run and put lotion on. This won't do that for you. I used it in all winter long and it did me so well. I've had it for about 3 months and I'm halfway there. So thing I can honestly tell you that will help with your skincare is a loofah, one of these little thingies. I think they recommend you to switch them out every 2 months or 3 months. I don't know, don't quote me on that, but yeah, you're supposed to switch it out. I mean, they're like 99 cents at Target. If you want to get the bigger ones like I do, I love the big ones. Like, I think $5. So I have one, he has one, and it does wonders for your skin to get off all the dead skin, you know, to kind of do a little bit of an exfoliation, you know. Sticking with shower items for your whole body. If you have a bathtub, I definitely recommend to get this Dr. Teals Foamy Bath with pure Epsom salt, relax and relieve. This one is with eucalyptus and spearmint. I did have the coconut something, the coconut. I love coconut. I don't know if you can tell, I love coconut. I was stressing out a little bit, switching jobs and then trying to go back to school, so this one really helped me with, you know, trying to decompress. I was having lots of headaches. I was feeling very tired all the time. Turns out I had an iron deficiency. But anyways, this stuff smells so good and so relaxing. This thing was $4.99. $4.99 at Ulta. You know, just do a little, and it creates bubbles and it smells so good and it's so relaxing, and it has Epsom salt. So my camera overheated again, but we're gonna go ahead, we're just gonna keep going. Hopefully it doesn't overload again. Anyways, Epsom salt definitely helps, nourishes your body, relaxes the body and the mind. Like, seeing as soon as I step out the shower, I'm hitting it with the Nivea Extended Moisture body lotion. Reveals dry, tight skin for up to 48 hours, and it has vitamins B5. I know a lot of people use the blue one. I don't like the blue smell. I don't know what it is. And I'm sensitive to smell. So this one's really good. You're gonna go out in the sun any type of way, shape or form, whatever you're gonna do, you're gonna be in there for 2 hours, 3 hours, 45 minutes. Whatever you do, please put on sunblock. My grandfather had melanoma in his skin multiple times, in his arm, and he had ever had it removed multiple times. You need to be careful. The sun is dangerous nowadays, especially with this global warming. The one that I use, Sun Bum, it is gluten-free, vegan. The reason why I switched to this, I know a lot of you are saying, oh my god, you got like vegan products, are you vegan? You know what, I'm not, but I'm being more conscious in the beauty products that I'm buying, just because we travel a lot, and some of the places we go into coral reefs and the oceans, the stuff that we're putting onto our skin, once we jump into that water, we're affecting the coral reef. So you have to be kind of more mindful of what you're doing and putting into the ocean. So yeah, why not make that change? What I do to take off my makeup, castor oil, especially when I do like a heavy eye look like this. And one of the things that I don't have with me right now is the Sephora waterproof makeup eye remover. if you're gonna use makeup, please don't be tugging under here. You're gonna end up with hollowness. So the castor oil does help soften the skin and it nourishes it. It helps with the regrowth of hair. It helps with the regrowth of lashes, eyebrows. This stuff is awesome. Like, you don't have castor oil in your routine, use it. Then I go in with Ole Henriksen's African Red Tea Foaming Cleanser. I think they discontinued this line. I'm not too sure. I'll have to look into that. But if they did, I'll go ahead, I'll leave an alternative. If you're just using soap, I mean, it's just kind of, you're only gonna get so clean and you're gonna be tugging at your skin because you have thick makeup on. So it's gonna be, you know, make your skin's life a little bit more easy. Get an actual facial cleanser. After I wash my face, I'll go ahead and I'll go in with a toner. I use the Oil-Free Acne Stress Control Triple Action Toner just because it helps me with my shine, and also it helps with my manchas that I get. I have one here and it's subsidized so much. It helps with acne scars. I have so many acne scars, even with chickenpox scars. Like, this thing has helped me so much, and yeah, she's in my routine. Then I'll go in this, I use the Amorepacifica Enzyme treatment. It's a botanical exfoliant. Again, no harsh chemicals, simply bamboo. It's like a natural, it's a natural enzyme that eats away at your dead skin cells. You can get a chemical one if you want, but to me this is definitely the gentler route to go. Please don't use this every day. I did film a skincare video routine, and in it, you know, I do use this, but I don't use this every night. I use this maybe like once a week, because if you do use an exfoliant, no matter what kind it is, too many times a day, your skin's gonna start drying out. This I'll use again once every 2 weeks. I don't use this every night. This is the Badescu Tsubaki Splash Mask. It is rice water, chamomile oil. This stuff smells so good, and it definitely helps, you know, relieve my skin, because again, you know, I am out in the sun because of my job now. I have a lot of sun exposure and dryness because I drive around on the cart. Badescu's Skin Drying Lotion. Because I've been using more of my exfoliant and my brush, after I've been using this, I really haven't been needing to reach for my drying lotion anymore, just because this helps, you know, really get into the areas where need be softly or roughly to really clear my pores. I noticed that they were getting clogged, so I got one of these. I got it at Marshall's, I think for like $3, $4, and I switch it out once a month because these things get nasty. I've been thinking about making the big purchase of getting the electric one, but I mean, this just works just as good. My Badescu drying lotion in case for those really bad days, really bad days. I use the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Sleeping Mask. This honestly has saved my skin. I used to use the Ole Henriksen's Nature Nurture Me tube, but I was going through it so often and I wasn't seeing as fast as a result as I wished. I know they did just switch up their line, like I said. I haven't tried the new line, but I definitely went to this and I fell in love with this. Like, it smells so good. Again, it's vegan, it's all natural stuff going in to your skin. This stuff is good. It smells like yogurt. Like, I don't know how else to explain. Then you get like a little spoon. I have hollowness and dryness. One of the under eyes that I do use is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Trim with avocado oil. Now this is for my harsh days, like when I am like, I had so much dryness under here and I'm starting to get crow's feet, which is odd because I wasn't out in the sun, so I wasn't like squinting a lot. but I guess it just had to do with, you know, the amount of me tugging and pulling when I was younger, when I first started wearing makeup and not having a proper eyeshadow makeup remover. It did make a huge impact on my eyes now. So I have little baggies underneath my eyes. I don't know who doesn't. So I used hemorrhoid cream. By no means am I a dermatologist yet. I will be one day. But this saying's been around since I can remember. Just like, you know, when they put hairspray on certain parts of your clothes so it doesn't ride up, and then hemorrhoid cream for the little baggies underneath your eyes. Who knew? It works wonders. You don't believe me? Try it out for yourself. Now on to tattoos. If you have tattoos, you notice that moisturize them as much as you can. But one of the things that I like to do for my tattoos is when I'm going out and have that extra, you know, that extra protection, I put sunscreen on them. But I also put A and D, like when they start getting excessively dry and they start getting like a little itchy, it usually just means that your skin is overly dry and it's starting to stretch. A and D does help with that. Helps relieve chapped, cracked skin, helps soothe dry, flaky skin. This stuff comes in handy, especially with your tattoos. Like, don't sleep on A and D. And if you work with your hands, and hand cream, boom, got it right there. Another thing I do for skincare is blackhead pore strip removers. I know Biosk has the mask, but honestly, who has time for putting masks on all the time? Like, I want to go to bed. So put these little nose strips on. Perfect. $4.99 at Marshall's. And last but not least, one of my first videos that I ever talked about was the importance of having clean brushes in order to keep your face and or skin or body, if you put on, you know, face makeup, body makeup, is having clean brushes. So once again, I'm talking about her, is my Eco Tools Makeup Brush Shampoo Cleanser. All these things I use probably every day. Some of the stuff I do use once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. It just depends on how my skin is feeling, or if, you know, I've traveled or I've been dealing with lots of stress, or, you know, weather issues, whether it be, you know, obsessively dry, rainy, humid. Like I said, you have to be the judge of those types of things for your skin. You know your skin best. You probably know it better than I would know your skin. I probably know my skin better than you would know my skin. So just listen to your body and keep doing the things that it likes. If you kind of have to tweak a little bit of the things that I use, or maybe you used some things and didn't work for you, you know, everybody's different. If you have a staple skincare routine product that you think I should try, or that other people need to try, go ahead, leave a comment down below. Yeah, I mean, who doesn't like soft skin, you know? And it doesn't hurt, you know, to smell good while you're doing beautiful skin, you know? Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. See you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, all that jazz. See you guys next week with a new video. Peace.